I am Pragate. Now I am going to discuss about machine learning. Machine learning is the branch of artificial intelligence. It enables the computer to learn patterns and data automatically to take decisions and predictions also. And decisions and predictions. Now machine learning are two types. One is supervised and another is unsupervised. Supervised is nothing but a labeled data. That means it contains input variables. Sorry, it contains output variables. Unsupervised is nothing but the unlabeled data. It does not contain output variables. And now supervising or another contains two types. One is regression and another one is classification. Regression is show the relationship between input variable and output variable. Regression is discrete, continuous data. The data it contains continuous output. The output in the form of continuous. Next, classification. Classification, it is nothing but yes or no. It is in the binary format. Now next I am going to tell about train test speed. It is one of part of in machine learning. If you want to train the model, you are going to first take that train test speed. First import and train test speed. Train test speed is nothing but if suppose it is your data, if data set is 100% data set, 80% is going to the training part and remaining 20% is going to the testing part. Training is nothing but it is a database. It is used to teach the ML models. It used to predict and make decisions also. Then come to the testing. It is also a database. It is used to evaluate the model performance. In regression, we have some models. Some ML models. First model is simple linear model. Second one is multi-linear regression. Now I want to tell in this time. First, simple linear is nothing but in output we have only one variable and one input variable. One output variable and one input variable. In simple data, the data that can be divided in linearly separable data. Our data points is divided in linear. Linearly separated. In multilinear regression, we have one output variable and multi-input variables. We have to take 2 or more input variables in multilinear regression. Thank you so much.